I'm Michelle Palazzo. I'm the Pastry Director at Frenchette Group. Frenchette, we use a lot of really high quality ingredients that's very, very close with our farmers. So the fact that I get to interact with them and use those type of products, it's very rewarding and really allows me to be really creative, which I love to do. I graduated with a dual degree in pastry and culinary management. Having an ICE education and going to pastry school and doing the restaurant management program set me up to understand what it's like to work in a kitchen every single day. And then also, as we've expanded at Frenchette and we've had, we opened a bakery, we've opened up another restaurant, working with multiple different types of people and managing your day-to-day and being in a larger scale kitchen. I think in that sense, that's really helped me. And culinary school really prepared me for that in a way. My dreams for my career is to keep doing what I love. This industry can be a lot of hard work and creatively can be exhausting, but I hope to always keep up that energy, and I also hope for the future to keep developing and keep perpetuating a healthy environment for our future cooks specifically. And I would love to have a bakery or something of my own one day. As of right now, it's been really rewarding to keep developing as a chef with this company and seeing where that goes, because I know there's going to be a lot more to come. I think my ICE education definitely prepared me for this. I think pastry school and culinary school in general is so important for young cooks. It really prepares you to work in a kitchen and just have the fundamentals to get into this industry.